Welcome to this English lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. You are my English student. And today we are studying present simple and present continuous. We are studying present simple and present continuous now. We are studying. Yeah, we are studying because now. Okay, so we have two different present tenses. Present simple is for actions that happen again and again and again and again, repeated actions. Actions that happen every day, every week, every month, every year, or every Wednesday. But sometimes we say on Wednesdays, okay? Now, sometimes we ask how often. How often? For example, how often do you learn English? How often do you learn English? Do you learn English every day? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you learn English every day. Maybe you learn English every week. Maybe you learn English every month. I don't know. Okay? So how often is always present simple and never, 0%, never present continuous. How often is always present simple? Always 100%. Okay, 100%. Always means it happens 100% all the time. Often means 80% maybe. Sometimes means 50-50, yeah, 50%. Hardly ever, not often, not often. It means maybe 20%. And never means never, never, not once, never, never in my life, never. So, new verbs, smoke, smoke a cigarette, smoke a cigarette. How often do you smoke a cigarette? How often do you smoke a cigarette? Yeah, a cigarette. So, I smoke often. I am a smoker. I smoke often. Yeah, not always, but often. I often smoke. I often smoke. Do you smoke? How often do you smoke? Maybe you don't smoke. Then you can say, I never smoke. I never smoke. Yeah, because you don't smoke. Never means never. Not at all. So I never smoke. But maybe you smoke every day. Maybe you smoke every week. Maybe every month. Okay. So some more new words now. She learns English 2 times every week. 2 times every week. Okay, maybe you learn English 3 times every week. Maybe 4 times every week. Maybe 7 times every week and 1 time every day. And 1 time we often say once. Once instead of 1 time. We often say once. So I learn English once a week. Or I learn French once a month, or I learn mathematics once a month. Okay, so remember 2 times a day, 4 times a month, once a year. It tells us how often. Okay, how often. And how often is always present simple. Okay, now present continuous is at the moment, now. Okay, so now we are studying present simple, present continuous. Now I am teaching you English. I am teaching, yeah. I am waiting. I am teaching. Now you are studying. Present simple, present continuous. Okay. Now, I can ask someone, what are you doing? And when I say, what are you doing? It means now. It's very different from what do you do? What do you do means what job do you do? So, what do you do? I'm a doctor, I'm a nurse, I'm a teacher, I'm a builder. But what are you doing means now, at the moment. What are you doing now? So you are studying English. I am talking. I am teaching English. Okay, but maybe, new verb, maybe I am waiting for a bus. Yeah, maybe I am bored. I am waiting for a bus. And maybe in 10 minutes, a bus will come. But at the moment, I am bored. I am waiting for a bus to arrive. Yeah, I am waiting for a bus. Okay, so remember, wait for. Remember, wait for. It's when you are, maybe you are waiting for your friend to arrive. Maybe you're waiting for your friend at your house. He wants to meet you at your house and you are waiting for him to arrive. Okay?